Students, as you can see, I'm making this video for the doubt class, and that is being asked by only few student, as I have given you the assignment of integer, and that is in two part, and also the syllabus, which is very big. So student, please try to complete the work on time and ask your doubt. Now, the first question that is being asked is 18 integers are multiplied together, what will be the sign of their product? So, before solving this is the note that I have written it, and the first note is the product of even number of negative integer is always positive, and the product of odd number of negative integer is always negative. Student, before solving, you have to always remember the note part that I have written it, and then only you can solve this question. The question is asking that out of 18, if 15 of them are negative and 3 are positive. So here you can see, according to the note, that the product of odd number of negative integer is always negative. So 15 is a odd number, so its product will be negative, and we have to multiply it with 3 positive integer. So after multiplying it with 3 positive integer, see, step by step I'm doing it. You can see it. See, as it was in the multiplication of integer, that one negative integer multiplied with another positive integer give you the negative product, and again one negative integer multiplied with another positive integer will also give you negative, and the third time the negative integer multiplied with positive integer gives you a negative result. So your answer is negative integer. Okay, the product which will be coming after multiplying this number of integer, and the sign will be in a negative, and that will be a negative integer. The second part of this question, and it is 12 of them are negative and 6 are positive. Student, here you can see that 12 is an even number, so definitely its product will come in positive, and if it is being multiplied with another 6 positive integer, it will give you the positive result of the integer. Here you don't have to solve this, you have to just see that what the question is asking. Don't get confused. The question is asking that 18 integers are multiplied together. You don't have to multiply the 18 integers, you just have to see the second part of the question, and that is what will be the sign of their product, and you have to just see that you have to tell the sign that after multiplying the 18 integers what is the sign. So the question is 12 of them are negative, its part is, and 6 are positive. So 12 is an even number, so after multiplying 12 integer your result will be in positive, and then those integers are being multiplied with 6 positive integers, and again your result will come in positive according to the types of multiplication of integer, in which positive integer multiplied with positive integer gives you the positive result. Now question second, the question is asking find which is greater. So you have to tell here that the first part is greater than the second, or the second part is greater than the first. We will solve it and see. See, according to the BODMAS rule, the bracket is coming first, then the of, then division, multiplication, A stands for addition and S for subtraction. So over here the bracket is coming, so we will first solve the bracket, that is 8 plus 10, that is 18, multiply by 15. Student, here there is no bracket, so we will see that whether addition is coming first or multiplication is coming first. According to the rule, multiplication is coming first, so we will first solve the multiplication part. So I will copy 8 as it is, then 10 into 15, that is 150. Okay, now we can easily solve here. 18 multiply by 15, that is 270, and here 150 plus 8, and that is 158. So your 270 is greater than 158, means your first part, that is 8 plus 10 within bracket into 15 is greater. Understood? Now I will tell you how to do the removal of bracket, as I have told you earlier, and I have found it that children are facing doubt in it. So I will tell you the names of bracket first. The first is the vinculum bracket, second is the small bracket, third is the curly bracket, and the fourth is the square bracket. So over here I will explain you that how I have solved this question. First I have solved the vinculum bracket, and after solving this vinculum bracket, the vinculum bracket has been removed. Now the small bracket. Here in this small bracket, addition is coming first. So 8 plus 4 is 12, then minus 4 is 8. Then this is being solved, so I have removed this small bracket. Now the curly bracket, 13 plus 14 minus 8. So according to the BODMAS, or we can say the DMAS, the addition is coming first and then the subtraction. So here will be 27 minus 8. After solving this part, we have removed the curly bracket. Now 27 minus 19, your answer is 8. Second question, you may find it difficult, but if we will solve step by step, then it will be easier for us to understand. Over here we will solve the small bracket part first. So in this, the division according to the rule is coming first. So I have done the division part first and copied it, the question that we don't have to solve. Now the bracket that has to be removed is the small bracket. Now it will be removed in the second step. 60 divided by 3, then 3 divided by 3, and curly bracket, and then the square bracket. See student, now the small bracket has been removed because it is being solved. Now we will solve the curly bracket and remove the curly bracket and copy the question, the thing that we don't have to solve. Now in solving the curly bracket, we will see that according to the rule which thing we have to solve first. So the division is to be solved first. So from here 60 divided by 3 is 20. Again 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now I have not removed the curly bracket because it is not yet been solved. Now the another step here. Now in this step the curly bracket will be removed. So 20 minus 1 is 19 and the bracket is removed. Again from here student, the square bracket will also be removed because I will solve it and remove it. So 38 minus 19 is 19. Now the last one, 45 minus 19 is 26. Last question of this class, in which the children were facing doubt. The question is, the product of two integer is minus 180. If one of them is 12, find the other. See student, the question is the product of two number, means we have to multiply the two number and it will gives you the result minus 180. See student, if the question might have asked that the sum or the difference and one of the integer is being given to you or the other is not given to you, you will suppose let the unknown integer be x. So here the question is the product of two integer is minus 180, one of them is 12. So x multiplied by 12 is equals to minus 180. So x is equals to, here the 12 is in multiplication with x, so it will go in this side, it will be in divide. So now after solving, your x is coming minus 15, because in the division type negative integer is divided by positive integer, it will give you a negative integer. I hope you have understood, and now it will be easier for you to solve the assignment and try to solve it. And still if you are facing the doubt, then ask me. Thank you.